Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and with popular features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, leather seats, power sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.